Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome to the tacticaldriver.com. This is David, and today I'm gonna show you the tips and tricks on how to get a snack via the Uber app, the driver's Uber app, I mean. So let's get to it, and here we go. So you want to go into the icon up here, the little search icon thingy. Tap on it, and in here you see where it says free snacks. We're gonna go in there. Sometimes it's gonna be there, sometimes it's not. Just check in and regularly, and it looks like I have a right. I'll continue with this video later. All right, so we're back. Okay, so we're gonna go into today's free snacks, and we're gonna go in here. Free 20-ounce drinks from Subway, and here's the address. So you could copy the address, and that's when you're in the area. Just make sure you stop by Subway and get your free-ons or your cookie. Details, here you go. You can read all the information, not too much. So pick your snack and enjoy. Limit 1 per day, 20-ounce fountain drink. Participate in restaurants and shop orders, no cash value, not for sale. One use coupon, qualifying, cannot combine with any. Okay, are you at the register? You have 10 minutes to get your snack after the tap on the button. So you have 10 minutes after you hit the redeem. So just be careful. Once you are near or outside the parking lot, go into the redeem now right here. But I won't do it. We'll save on, and then I'm gonna actually want to see where's it at on the map. Let's see here. Alright, so let this load. So I'm here in San Diego downtown. That would be about up in, okay. So kind of by SeaWorld, old town. Yeah, so if I'm in that area, I'll go ahead and check it out. But I'll save it for another day. We go back. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video so much. Subscribe, stay tuned for more. I'm gonna have a lot of tips. I have a bunch of cool, awesome stuff coming down in the near future. If you want to drive for Uber or Lyft, check out the tacticaldriver.com, and I have some sign up bonus up in here for you to take a look. I also have a rent a car near you with GETAROUND. Get a $20 try that. You can also put your car for rent if you want to make money while you're on vacation or out, or doing some other stuff that instead of your car just sitting there, you could be making money with it. Else, why drive with Uber? This is kind of like your basic information. Also, if you live in San Diego or work in San Diego, you can sign up for a California Coast Credit Union and get up to $125 for opening an account. Low information about Uber Eats and then GETAROUND, and also have the Lyft bonus, sign-on bonus. If you just click on this button right here, it'll get you there. Very easy, straightforward process, pretty simple. Also, I'm a developer. I'm a software. Oh my goodness, I can't type. But there it is. So yeah, this is my main hobby. I'm a veteran. I need to update that picture to a newer one. I make websites, and if you need a website for your Uber to help you bring in more referrals, you could do that too. I could help you out. Just fill out this contact form and just let me know how can I help you. All right. Anyway, thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.